Thanks for joining our channel. We're going to have a great adventure today, so let's take it outside.
So what we did here is we had an existing garden cart. It's one of those carts that the sides fold down, and we used it for hauling wood from down at the wood pile up to the house. We've used it to move a bunch of things. We used it when the kids were playing sports to haul the ice chest and so forth. Just a really good utility wagon cart. Well, I cut the sides off, the pins that were holding them in, and then I went into weld up, and I took 1-inch angle iron, welded it up inside vertically, and then I took a cattle panel that I had just a scrap one laying around, and I cut that to where it fits in between, and it's the perfect size for a 1 bale of hay.
Well, this is it. My wife's little idea. We got this little wagon. I welded up some cattle panels on there, big enough to hold 1 bale of hay. Because it is a wagon and you have where you could pull it, and we could stick it right in the goats and move it around as needed. We're back. Hey, thanks for liking this video, and go ahead and smash that like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.